Well, I apologize for no video the last couple days and no more on this, but you know why there's no more on this is because, well, there's going to be more, but no more right now, because can you see something wrong here? Something to do with the coil? Yeah, there's only one. The little antler snapped off. I was there working on it and just flipped it up on the bench and the friggin' thing cracked off, so there's the piece. But my dad's, the people that he works with there, the people that fix the trucks, they got a welder there or whatever that can weld aluminum, so I'm gonna get Dad to bring that down to him. So anyway, that'll do that up, and I worked on this the last day and a half or so. I just cleaned it all up. I took the shroud and flywheel and took the base up, or took the motor off the body, and just cleaned it up, did a basic cleaning and different things. So it got no exhaust on it right now. That's another problem. The pipe snapped off in there. So I'll give you the start. It's only it's like 12 o'clock at night, so I'm not allowed, but I'm going to, so no. She's cold, no back pressure either. That was real cool on a low idle. Give her some rest. Whoops. Anyway, that's about it for now. Talk to you later.